Because you use your TV remote every day, some of the buttons will stop working. For example, this power button, because it's the most used, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Let's open the TV remote now. Be very gentle. If you open a TV remote for the first time, let me explain you that this is the PCB board with all contacts, and this is the buttons with these small black dots, and those are making contacts. But on the power button, that contact it's not working or not making contact with the board, and I'm gonna fix that little amount of graphite that is on the button with this hack. First thing is to cut a circle out of tin foil. You can see that you need to make a very small circle out of aluminum foil, like this one. I cut 2 circle foils, and now I'm gonna place it on the contacts for the power button, and in my case the volume up or plus is not working also, and I'm gonna fix with super glue. You're gonna need a wooden toothpick. Just add a small amount of glue on the toothpick. Okay, that's nice. Adding the foil. Center it. Leave it to dry. You can see on this button, you see on this button the texture that have, that's graphite, but this button do not have that. So one more time, we're gonna add some glue on the toothpick. Okay. Nice. And add the foil. And leave it to dry. And now the aluminum foil, when you press on the button, will make contact with the PCB board. Let's close it. Okay, and try it. 3, 2, 1. Yes, turn it on, green light. HDMI. No signal. But the button is working. Let's try it one more time to turn it off. Yes. Great job. Your TV remote control always needs a fresh batteries. In today's video I'm gonna make a gadget with rechargeable function. Let's start. First I'm gonna start with measuring the space that is in the remote control for the batteries, and after that from the PVC plastic piece I'm gonna make a small box, and in that box I will put all the electronics. As you can see, I have made a small plastic box that will fit into the battery compartment of the TV remote, and I'm using a small lithium-ion rechargeable battery and also a charger PCB board that have a micro USB plug for charging the battery. Okay, here it is, the final result. A small box made out of PVC plastic. You can see that down there is a lithium battery. Here it is the PCB board charger, and here I have a positive and negative terminal that will make contacts with the remote control. Let's test it. Does it work? Yep, the red LED meaning that the lithium battery is charging. Removing that, and turn out pretty cool. Let's try it now. Never use ordinary batteries again. Instead, you can use this gadget that is rechargeable power supply for your TV remote. It goes like this. Alright. And to prove that this is not fake and I'm not doing anything, this is my small circuit for testing TV remotes. Look, it's emitting. And the lid is also fit perfectly. And now I have a TV remote with this kind of gadget that can be recharged, and never buy ordinary batteries like this. and we are making something unusual. Let's start. If you have a 3D printer, and also I will put a link in description below so you can print it. This holder for what? It's holder for this damaged Casio F91 watch. It's very popular watch, but it have a very common problem. On the needles for the holders are often broken. If this happens, the watch is useless, but there is a solution. So you guys, we are making a holder for bike or motorbike, and you're gonna use the watch to be as gadget on your bike. You need to 3D print these three parts. You need a Casio watch F91 and 2 screws. Let's assemble and place it on the bike. You can see that you can easily install the watch on your bike or motorbike, and it looks amazing. Just with 2 screws and this 3D printed holder, you can bring a new life to that broken Casio watch. Arduino based project, and it's a game, tic-tac-toe, with Arduino, OLED display and 2 buttons. Let's start. In description below I will put a link from the original author of this project, which is Arduino tic-tac-toe. You will find a download code for the game and schematic. Please check out. As you can see, for making this very simple Arduino game, you will need just 2 push buttons. You will need a OLED display 128 by 64 pixels and any Arduino board. After connecting all the wires for the buttons and for the display, you will upload the code to the Arduino and you can start your game. Just to mention that some OLED displays works on 3.3 volts or 5 volts. Mine it's working on 5 volts, but you need to be very careful about that. Let's power up the game now. Reset. And I forgot to tell you that you are playing against computer. With one button you choose what square you want it. For example, I like this one. He move on the middle. Here, CPU, here, I need to place right here, here, okay, he won, CPU wins, okay, you get it. Always the first move have the computer, and that it's not great. Okay, here, okay, oh, come on man, here, okay, draft, no one wins. It's a great game with Arduino and small OLED display.